Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very effective, powerful remedy that will help you to get rid of your cracked heels, your rough heels, and all of those stuff going on your leg. If your leg is actually looking old age and all of that, this is actually going to help you a whole lot. Yeah, and if you're new here, please subscribe and share, and also thumbs up the video if you do love it. Now let me take you right into the video. Alright guys, so to get rid of that cracked heels and have a very smooth and a soft heels, a very neat heels, guys, we're going to be needing to use baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is a great remedy that helps so much in scrubbing out dead skin cells. It helps to exfoliate the skin, yeah, so that's why we need it very well for this cracked heels remedy. Now this is how we're going to be mixing it. We're going to be needing at least 2 tablespoons of the baking soda. Alright. Two tablespoons is okay, at least for your 2 cracked heels, yeah. So the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be Nescafe, and it's not actually about the product, it's actually about the coffee. So if you don't have a grinded coffee, you can also use your coffee powder, yeah, for this, and it's going to work really well. Alright, because coffee helps to scrub out skin cells, dead skin cells, yeah, so that's why I actually need to use coffee for this. So if you don't have the blended one, you can take some of your coffee grains and blend it, and then you have your coffee powder. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing to use lemon. Now lemon is actually very essential when it comes to cracked heels and a rough foot, yeah. So we are going to be needing lemon a whole lot because it helps so much to gently remove the crackness on your heel and then heal your feet. That if it is really cracked, it's going to help to heal it really well. Okay guys, so since I have my half cut of lemon, I'm actually going to be squeezing that in. Now do not worry even if the seed gets into the mixture. Okay, so to check the consistency, I would have to squeeze in a little and then hold on a bit so I can stir it and make sure it is not too watery. So to have that glow, we're gonna be needing honey, guys. Now you have to add up a little bit of honey. If you do not have honey, you can add up a little bit of your white sugar into this mix, yeah. It's going to do a whole lot of difference if you don't add, yeah, because it helps so much to create a glow on your leg, yeah. So I'm going to be putting just 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I would have to mix it really well. You don't have to skip this, but if you don't have honey, you can use sugar. It's going to do almost the same job, but using honey is very good. And here we have it. Okay, so what we're going to need now is that we're going to be needing our candle. Now the essence why we need candle for this is so that it can help to soften, really soften out the toe. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. You're going to take your candle and then you're going to cut it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be melting the candle. So however you want to melt your candle, you can melt it. If you want to microwave it to melt, it's fine. If you want to do a double boiler method, which you're going to be using warm water to put in and melt this candle, it's fine. But what we need to do now is that we're going to go melt the candle. Okay guys, so this is it, and this is the candle, which is actually dissolving. Look at how it is. It's actually dissolving. Yeah, I'll be coming to that, but before that you would have to scrub your heels with this. Now if you can actually use something to scrub it, it's going to be better, because scrubbing it with the hand is actually not fun. Okay, so I'm going to be scrubbing all of my legs too, because for me, I don't have a very bad heels. Okay, so you concentrate on the heels. Okay, so after that, just pour everything on your leg. And just scrub it all out. It's gonna be messy, guys. We're gonna dirty the whole place, but of course we're gonna wash it. That's what beauty is for, right? Particular one, for this particular one, you just take it and then you would then use it on your heels. Yeah, it mustn't be too hot, guys, so that it won't burn. Now this is actually a very great remedy. It's gonna be warm. Let it be warm. Okay, no matter how hard your heels are, this candle is going to heal it and it's going to soften it for you. Yeah, so after that you have to wash it. These are the hair. Look at my heels. Look at this one. So that's it. That's how I scrub. Like, I basically do this at least once in a week, because it actually helps me so much to keep my leg, my heel from cracking. Yeah, as you can see, that is my leg, and I've actually never experienced my heel being cracked or my leg being rough and all of that. My leg is always looking really good, just like you've seen. Okay, so try this out and then use the candle to heal your leg in case your leg has actually cracked. Okay, it's actually gonna help. So if you do enjoy watching this whole video, please consider thumbs up, subscribe here, and share the video. I would love it if you do share the video. Alright, so I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawlessly beautiful, and bye.